Yeah, so over the course of my career, I've handled cases that involve professional athletes, CEOs, White House staff, congressional staff, a lot of people with a lot of things to lose. And with those folks, high profile clients, there's a lot to protect in the sense that they want to keep their name out of the news as much as possible. And I've been successful at doing that by sort of dodging calls and things like that. I don't talk to the media. The story's never going to be about me. I want the story to be, if there's going to be a story, I want it to be about my client and their innocence. So we're pretty good at managing that messaging and minimizing that messaging so that it's not all over the place, because most of the time people involved in situations like that who are themselves high profile just want to stay out of the news and want to deal with it privately. There are some cases, however, where perhaps the defendant's not high profile, but the case itself is. Certainly we've had plenty of those over the course of the years as well. And with situations like that, there's no keeping it out of the news because it's a story of interest. Again, our strategy is we don't stoke those flames unless we feel there's a strategic reason to do so. If the Commonwealth is trying to, educate a jury pool, as they might like to say, then we might have to come back with some things. But most of the time, again, we understand the story is not about us. We never want it to be about us. We want it to be about the facts of the case and about our client. So you're never going to see me on, CNN talking about a case, even if they ask. It's not going to serve my client well. And so that's how we handle these things, is we stay low profile, even in high profile cases.